If you want a smooth skin in Lightroom Mobile quickly and naturally, you're in the right place. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to soften skin, reduce texture, and keep your portrait looking realistic instead of over-edited. This is perfect for beginners, and you can do it right inside Adobe Lightroom Mobile without needing any extra apps. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick editing tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your photo in Lightroom Mobile and choose a portrait where you want to smooth the skin. The best way to do this is with masking, because it lets you target only the face or skin without affecting the rest of the image. Tap on Masking, then choose Select Subject or People if Lightroom detects the face automatically. If needed, select Face and Skin for a more precise edit. If the automatic selection isn't perfect, you can also use the Brush tool to manually paint over the skin areas you want to adjust. Once the skin area is selected, the main smoothing begins. Go to Texture and lower it slightly. This is one of the most important steps because it reduces fine details like pores and roughness while still keeping the photo looking natural. Next, lower clarity a little. Clarity affects contrast in the midtones, so reducing it will soften harsh skin details and create a smoother appearance. Be careful not to push these sliders too far because that can make the face look blurry or unrealistic. The goal is to smooth, not erase. After that, you can fine-tune the look by adjusting sharpness and noise reduction. If the skin still looks a little too harsh, reduce sharpness inside the mask. This helps soften the overall effect even more. You can also increase noise reduction slightly to make the skin appear cleaner and smoother. Just use a light touch here, because too much noise reduction can remove too much detail and make the portrait look fake. Now let's balance the skin tone. Sometimes after smoothing, the skin can look a little too warm, too cool, or slightly off in color. Use a small temp or tint adjustment to bring back a healthy, natural tone. A subtle correction is usually all you need. The key is to keep the skin looking real while still improving the texture. Here are a few important tips to remember. First, don't overdo the smoothing. If you lower texture and clarity too much, you'll end up with that plastic skin effect that looks unnatural. Second, always keep some texture so the face still has realism. And third, zoom in while you're editing so you can see exactly how the skin looks at 100%. That way you can make clean adjustments without going too far. Once you're happy with the result, compare the before and after to make sure the skin still looks balanced and natural. And that's it. That's how to smooth skin in Lightroom Mobile the easy way. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Lightroom editing tips coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.